It's about to go down, y'all. Y'all see it?
God almighty.
Got the mechanic out. Got the 12 gauge Keltec. Yes, sir.
So it's big board.
Now
You're
on the barrel. Got it. I
So
see it.
you're gonna have to track it because it's a red one and not a green one. So the intensity is lost after a certain amount. Now I don't know if we can get it
So
all
the
the way
green
up
one's
there.
better.
Yeah, the green one you can see it.
Got that KS7, Keltec KS7, red dot. Let's get to it. I'm going down range with it. All right, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Hot.
Hot. Yeah. 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 Just knock a piece off of it.
You're like, oh, there's holes. When you look back here, you're like,
Exit wound.
he dead.
Federal flight control right there.
Dead.
Look at that.
Wow.
That some bitch stay together. Them groupings stay together. Bust a hole in your. Yes, sir. No. Tino on that Hellcat. About 30 yards out. 25 to 30. Get on him, Tino!
There you go.
Motherfucker popping, boy.
You're not.